security zawathu zawanna nomvokambiwa ngoti of clicking. Hello.
Okay.
Uko rifa zwavhuḓi
zwino. Ndi more na network zwino.
100%. I hope the network ingasiri bayizise zwino. Nema, what are you saying? What I was asking was like how does it feel Uri? You were known by people but the next morning uko trend now everybody wants the piece of you, like you feel like the whole thing.
I feel good uri ndikho ḓivheya fhethu hoṱhe ngori zwe nda vha ndi tshi khou nyaga namusi ndi tshi thoma OnlyFans hovha uri ndi ḓivhee nga vhathu. Yeah.
Okay. But before we dzhena kha OnlyFans ne Premly zwavhuḓi venda ubva gai, Jozi ubva gai, ara tshi dzula Jozi zwavhuḓi ndi nnyi Premly? Who is Premly?
Premly ubva venda Njelele.
London.
Yeah.
The London. Yeah, London. Okay. So dzina ḽa zwavhuḓi ḽine hafho hune a dzula hone vha tshi mu ḓivha ngalo ndi nnyi kana ri khou mu expose ndi nnyi?
Ndi vha nga Premly.
Hoṱhe vha nga Premly. Social media ndi Premly.
Yeah.
And stuff. Okay. Yeah. So let's look at that. I know you're not alone, eh?
Yeah.
We have somebody also on the other line. I'm hoping this time I'll pronounce it right. Miss Antha. Antha. Yeah. Miss Antha, welcome to Tshivenda kana
Tshivenda chikuwa everything I can come close.
Okay. Tell me record lori. So Miss Antha like she's also doing the OnlyFans.
Yes.
Wow. I am. There's been a question that a lot of people have been asking Ori. When you're doing OnlyFans, is there money? Or people are just doing it for fun?
There is money.
Maybe Kaitome Ori or Jenisa OnlyFans. What made you being interested in OnlyFans?
Some of the things that made me join OnlyFans might be personal, so I don't want to go into my personal stuff. Details. But then it's obvious because it's money. Because I went there because I'm looking for money. I wouldn't just show off my things free. Am I? Would I do that? So I wouldn't. So for me to go there,
no, I saw it. There's money. That's why even my co-host here, Gail, is thinking of joining.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he said things he want to open his own account. So, some of the questions that people were asking was that, do you guys just do OnlyFans or you also do the hookups?
We don't do hookups. No, that is what.
Okay, finally, guys, you heard it. They don't do hookups. Miss Antha and Premly, they don't do hookups.
So, at all. That's a definite no. Like, if you come to my DM and you be like, oh, okay, one rounding, 1.5 I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you.
Yeah, because I think watu banji wana worry they find it confusing when they understand ori the platforms are different. Zidinga the Facebook when they or zidinga the video calling, zidinga the live streaming or you uploading your video. It's like the normal social media is just these ones. People are creating content like your YouTube, but this one in an adult way.
Yes, it's the same thing as people from TikTok. They make money by uploading their own funny content. We also do our own unique adult content. Like, everyone has their own thing that they do to get money. So we do this to get money. So I wouldn't discriminate someone who's doing OnlyFans and TikTok. Like, you doing your own thing, I'm doing my own thing. We're both getting money from people we don't know. So that's what I would say.
So from your TikTok videos, right? Obviously, people who have subscribed to TikTok, OnlyFans, you're from your OnlyFans video, I mean to say,
is there a point where you get naked and play with some tools, with some toys, stuff like that? Because people want to know about those.
Wait. Okay, wait. I'm gonna just say only one thing there because we can't explain everything because you're ruining the surprise to the part.
Hey,
Dude,
there's a lot coming up.
let's go.
No, we can't. But then, yeah, we do. But then we won't explain or we have a toys, stuff like that. But then there are some of the videos that,
That you guys are getting naked and you are playing with whatever.
I feel you're ruining the surprise.
No, okay. I won't ruin the surprise, but I don't know. So, but there's.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Come. What do you mean?
If you wanna know, just go and subscribe.
How much is it to subscribe? And the guy who subscribe only
$10.
When I checked, it was $146.
$10 in the guy.
There was around 146
rand.
When I checked your profile, this was about 2 days back. Yeah. It was about 146, 150 there. So,
yeah, 140.
I think for now, it go kata.
Okay.
Yeah. So we also have the question in our fans have asked us to ask you, both of you actually.
One of them was the hookup. You said you don't do the hookups.
Yeah. So are you guys in a relationship?
Yeah. I'm in a serious relationship.
Yeah, definitely. And to be quite weird, our partners are supporting us. Like,
yeah, that's the
they don't mind us doing it as long as we don't hook up with.
There's money
so
there.
Are you guys? Are your guys also on OnlyFans or they're not? They are hustling in a different way.
No. I disagree. No, it's a no. No.
What do you what are you disagreeing on? Are they hustling on a different way or they're on OnlyFans?
Our men have professional jobs. They wouldn't want the fun of this.
So they're hustling in a different way.
Yeah, they're pushing their own hustle. You're doing your own hustle. Wow.
So another question that we have here is that will you guys do professional porn?
No, I don't mind that.
You don't mind. The Premly, you don't mind.
The Premly and the Miss N.
Premly Prem, I don't mind doing that as long as it's fine, sure.
Okay. And Miss Antha?
I'm not quite sure. I don't. Oh, I'm not in her level as yet. Like, I'm still working on confidence on getting there, but then I wouldn't mind if someone says, you know what, okay, let's do this for like 10K. I'll be like, oh man, it's just this. Outside me, I'm loaded. Goodbye. Yeah.
So, guys, tell me here, Nem.
Yeah.
What is like your everyday life? Let's say you are waking up, you are going to a shop. How is your dressing code? You're going to the shop or you're going to the mall. Maybe you say in Dranjere, and maybe you're going to Mpepu, whatever there it is. You are going to Biaba, whatever. How is your dressing code every day? Like, you are on your flexing zone. You're doing that. How is your dressing code?
Going to the mall, obviously. See, I feel like I'm looking for the both of us, because I want to as well. It's just that.
Yeah, I think we're having difficulties. Your phone is cutting a lot.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Okay, it's better.
No, it's cutting.
Yeah.
It's cutting. Still cutting.
Still cutting.
Yeah, go move fast.
Yeah, and I think we're speaking for the both of us, you
Yeah.
see?
Yeah.
Because I was also there at the party and I saw everything that happened. See? So dressing code, it depends on our mood. Like, if today I wanna like ease up and look nice, I'm gonna wear a short dress. If you wanna see, but you're not gonna touch. But then, like, it depends on what I wanna wear and what we wear. We don't care what people say.
You rock the veil one, the one you went to MGB with.
So, but within whatever veil you're wearing or whatever dress you're wearing, there's something inside.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's no point where there's no any case where there's nothing
Nakedness and you
inside.
What?
So there are some point where you guys went out with nothing.
Is it your vote? Is very guy? Guy?
Okay. Can you please describe me one instant where you guys went out without wearing anything?
Last week.
A-Reece, where?
Okay.
Mhm.
Premly Prem, ne?
Yeah.
Siva calling the guy because ndingasibe 6 na ini ndizoya out. Mara if ndikho divorce kana ndikuya party I shame na dress to kill.
So, but what is your main point of being at that party without? Okay, are you trying to? What are you trying to achieve from that? I just want to understand because you guys said you don't do hookups, you don't do like stuff like that. But what is your point of you being to that party without wearing anything or being you?
Because I'm doing it for myself.
And what about guys who come and approach you? Do you hook up with them or what do you do with them? Do you just say no?
I don't hook up. Like I said, I don't do hook up at all.
Okay, but if a guy comes to you, do you tell them that no, my guy, I don't do this. Please follow me on OnlyFans. And
Yeah.
stuff
And
like
then
that.
you will see more.
Yeah.
Yo.
And okay, there's do I have to ask this one?
So before he asks that one, people are asking already. After that video, your toilet, what's next? What
yeah.
are you going to leak? Was that video leaked by you, or what happened to that video?
It was Instagram live, so it was.
Oh, that video was live.
On Instagram. But what I saw now, Ndiori, there's some people that I think they went to your OnlyFans and screen record some clips, and they shared them. Beside that, I know that I saw some clips, but right now, I saw how people were speaking bad about you when that video was the live started trending on Village Side, which is Facebook. And then when we posted, we saw a different reaction. Remember when we said we were going to speak to her? We had a lot of guys that were saying they can't wait. They were sharing, saying, hey, guys, we need to watch this. We need to listen to her. People were saying that she's doing what she loves. Like, how does it feel, Uri? First you trended and people were trying to tarnish your name. And next thing, but to one over on the positive side of you. Like, they're busy saying, even though what watches bonazora zwabudi mara rechiza zipostera ziposta rekosa naka Twitter people are happy, like they're saying like, you know what, she's doing what she wants. How does it feel?
I feel good ngazo. I don't mind uri bathu bakhori mini kana bakhori mini as long as ndi happy and coffee story one songo zwenda kuzita ndishaphungazo achingo uri bathu bakhori mini nga nne
And then
ndishande ndibe happy so mumwe muthu uri usijisa nikha ene munne I don't care.
okay, and then there's another question that came here. So like family wise, do they support you? How do they react to all this?
Okay, ne? Kafimeli umasibena bathu bathibeni bakhuzifesesa and usino abakhonyangosa kodwa uzifesesa uri omuntu khwita mini abadibinga OnlyFans. So when time goes on but the first abakhuzifesesa maybe.
Yeah, when the time goes on. So which means there are those that supporting it, there are those that don't understand it. Because I think it's one thing is if a person is playing porn, the person is doing OnlyFans, stream chat, the whole lot of them. Because during muntu uko rengisa, kana uko misbehave, kana uko zokhakeao.
Yeah.
So, ene kabuze bathu zori OnlyFans ene ufesanga ndirade. What is OnlyFans to you?
Okay, na OnlyFans ndiphethe zori ndizine muthu akhonyaka uika. So uthi ba focus kaze akhonya go
Network engineer ayifari, ne?
Yeah, umaraifari.
Yeah, I think you're still answering the question in your family. Oh no, I think it was about
Uri OnlyFans so.
Yeah. What is OnlyFans to you? How do you see OnlyFans?
Are you a content creator or yeah?
I'm a content creator and the hating guys because I was not and uri ndizi nemunedi kophuri ndikhonya kozita and ndifila good ngazo.
Okay, so but kambuzi happen, people are always called names, right? Names not meaning that it can be bad names or whatever which is insulting to people.
Come again.
Ndirivatu babizwa amadzina kwambana nawo. And amadzina, it doesn't mean or necessarily those names are insulting or bad names. Do you guys get called with names?
Ngabathu bane babori abakopfesesa.
Yes, definitely.
What are the names that you guys get called?
To say them.
Yeah.
No,
don't worry. This show is rated 18, so whoever's watching knows that we're talking about everything here.
We talk about everything. We are free. I can't wait to have another interview.
So
okay,
you can say you can be free. You can be free here. It's home.
Athi so fane. Athi tshivenda to wana muthu kana achiko amba zimwe zwithu phandanga kana concentrate na kana ukhumbidza nga limwe dzina kana
yeah.
Ba amba obviously mara behind my back. Yeah, mara tu wana muthu achikoda mbuzori mini bato diamba mara usini akumbuza straight.
Well, got someone from Instagram who DM'd me and they were like, yo, you shouldn't do this, you're a child of God, you shouldn't do this to your body, you're a hoe and stuff. I'm like, dude, you don't even know me.
Yeah.
Uri out to the phones vari khara ndimurabelele una madimoni.
Ndingaba na madimoni nabafundisa na madimoni. So ndaba na madimoni nabafundisa na madimoni. Because bona bafuna kunirabelele. Jambo nabafundisa bone subscribe.
Yeah, well, the fact already he knows that means yeah, we'll subscribe.
Hey, one thing about people, ne? Ebo bani baba bachiko sasalaza uri Premly Prem what OnlyFans this and that. Never could subscribe, but just that at Namanda or in details discretion nani mara never could have a subscriber. Uprisa but never.
So on OnlyFans, I know that you guys you can go live and people you can have private session, blah 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 blah. Have you ever had private session about venda? No, it's always people from outside the country.
No, even people from South Africa.
Oh, okay. They do subscribe. They do have one-on-one.
Hey, let's be honest. The questions that I was getting, the following all the stuff, I realized there's a lot of people that are into this. It's just that like how will people react if they find out subscriber, they're following, they're checking this thing.
So you guys, you're not scared or you don't care about if you go to a mall dressing the way you dress, that makes you feel comfortable and people are taking video of you and people are calling you names. You don't care about that.
No, you saw what happened in the party and like it's the life we live. Like if you if I dress because when I think you're not gonna fancy me. Like, I wanna be fancied because it's what I want. You understand? If you don't fancy me, will you go and follow and subscribe on my page? You won't, because what you see is what you get, right? You have to see before you
No,
subscribe.
it's not what you get. Is it what you get visually or it's what you get live? Yeah, what is it? But you wanna visually, but you wanna live. Which one is it?
It's what you see. It's what you can get through a live video or
But
through
not
a video.
Who's the live?
What look at it, don't touch.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's true.
That's true.
So
You can
you
look-
guys, so beware you just about showing off, and if you want more, Yanika
OnlyFans.
subscribe ka OnlyFans.
But then the nice thing about OnlyFans is that you're allowed not to show your picture on a video. So, yeah, your face, I mean.
Oh, okay.
So like, even though you can take a screenshot and post it on Instagram or Facebook, even though we don't have Facebook, how will you rectify that it's Miss Antha or it's Prem?
But are you guys trying to be hidden? I thought you
no.
guys are trying to be private, to be public. What's happening?
Only friends. Uri batho ba ntlanganise because batho ba bita. Yo.
Ene mara okay Premly ene ugonyanga udzumbeya kana ugonyanga uri abe adive batho ba kono ba subscribe ka OnlyFans yawe.
Nne athi khonyo go zumbeya. La uthi khonyanga mona mu asibena zore nne ndina OnlyFans and then the OnlyFans.
Guys,
Okay.
don't forget, we're gonna drop the links to their OnlyFans pages down below in the
But why
description.
subscribe,
But
eh?
why- guys, go and subscribe. Let's support. One thing, she doesn't do hookups. Both of them, they don't do hookups. Subscribe and watch.
Oh, okay. And Facebook, nothing.
We don't have Facebook.
Okay.
The village,
where
but
can people find you?
the village is very cruel.
On Instagram.
Yeah, on
Instagram
Instagram.
ndinyi nanyi one by one refers on ndinyi nanyi ka Instagram naka Twitter naka TikTok if you have them.
You don't have Instagram. I do have Instagram. I'm not too comfortable with giving out my Instagram as yet.
Why? Why are you so comfortable?
Because now, I'm not gonna lie, see, she's the one who's training me.
Mm-hmm.
So like, I'm in the process of being what she is, because
Oh, you're still building up your confidence. You're still building up your profile. You still want to get in that level.
exactly.
Imagine.
Okay. I think.
Whoa. Wait.
How old are you guys? Meanwhile, how old are you able to disclose that? How old are you guys?
TMI, too much information.
Yeah.
Okay. No age.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, I could out of Bafano, Akwaya, Ukwambori, like Venda right now.
Yeah.
So it was all a lie of Wamsanda of Bana Watu Pande. Facebook Durbangana Matrada.
Okay, so you're not on Instagram, ni guy, beside Instagram.
On Twitter.
Most of the things, like, you can find my handle on her Twitter.
Yeah.
You can find my handle on
my Instagram.
So like, I don't wanna say my Instagram name in public. So if you wanna see me, you can just see from.
Oh, are you okay? The picture that she posted like yesterday, are you that one?
The red dress.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, me and Premly, we are friends. Come on. I know her. Like, yeah. That's why.
So, okay. Cut it off in both of you.
Yeah. And we're working on content together, so people
Yeah.
should watch out for content of.
Are you also on the strip chat?
No.
No.
Oh, you still just on the OnlyFans?
Yeah. For
Okay,
now.
because when I Googled, they were still Googling. I'm seeing,
Oh, okay.
yeah, the name was coming up.
There's someone called Tebuho. She has opened a street club. Are you guys willing to explore that as well?
If there's money, yes.
Oh, so it's not about money.
Okay.
Hey, but we've been saying though.
So if a rich guy comes and say, I want threesome, if there's money, you guys are good. That's what you're saying, right? You guys are good. So you guys do hookups as long as there's money.
We don't do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, as long as now it's clear that awuna zoshava zofika msanda bovana mbado, people ngozva awuna vamsanda bovana mbado vathu lichanozvipa vathu va Facebook va village upfi lichanozvipa. Yeah, so you already confirmed you are in a relationship, and then you saying the video was not leaked. Yeah, all those things. So which means now when you're walking around on like Kasi and stuff, people don't point fingers. Like I think people point or call, like all those things. They don't do that.
No, maybe behind my back. And the net generate because them charcoal as consumed.
Holy, wait.
And most people, they don't know OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Most people don't know OnlyFans, and then you have introduced it. I think we're gonna have more people from Venda that are gonna be doing OnlyFans, because I think I only know you, I only know Antha now, and then there's another lady I think now she does that. She have tried it before, so it's about 5 people I think. But besides that, let me be honest. There's a lot of people that are doing OnlyFans. The mask, then we can't tell on the Venda.
Yeah.
And there's another one question in here, but would says, was that guy actually doing it? Apple toilet.
No,
Or he was not doing it?
no.
But on the OnlyFans, do you do it?
Yeah. I do
With
it.
who? With him?
Hey, not me.
No, with him. The guy.
Why are you pointing me?
The guy who was on the video. Do you do it with him on OnlyFans? Or different guys? So another question, another important question. Yeah, Corey. Since you have joined OnlyFans, guy we will not join OnlyFans.
Yeah, it's personal too much.
It's like asking someone how much do you earn.
Mara oposta screenshot chalede can't
For that other video?
Cut Twitter somewhere.
Yeah.
Was that for a one video or was that for everything that you've made?
For one video. For that trend.
That video that trended made like 4 grand.
You made like 4,000 for that video.
And they still that's what is cleared, you know? I'm according, because I was reading a lot. Like that one is what is cleared, and there's still about 5 grand or 4 grand that is not yet cleared.
Huh?
No, kwambori unachira deni yavori ko reflect or kendi yawe. Then unachira deni ina to jena fi hendi yawe mara indiran. Ina kongono yongoro fi is pending.
Yeah, it's pending because Minga's going to start to the shop.
No. We understand. When I went through terms and conditions and stuff, there was reading all these things. So there's like, yeah, I understand. I don't know the first side. We are no bad terms and conditions are on in those ifazori. Share the way I went over account yamu. Havana record the one dirani nakado jena. So I can say
$10 if guy has rent.
Yeah.
That video probably by 1 week it made like 10 grand. Or 8 grand.
Yeah.
So, ba venda vena ba koni feni bena o ba divine.
Yeah, but
Oh, okay. They're doing the same
like,
content.
Like I said, I found that there's a lot of people that are doing OnlyFans, but the thing they do different disguise. Come on. And then some of them we're still gonna have them. Since she's here and we're talking, we're going to have a lot of them coming now. They're also going to market. like artists, because they are artists, they are content creators. So we're gonna have a lot of them.
Yeah, and kunavazana vanji vane vako kunyagori ndivathomele does the OnlyFans just that atinyagi utori nditothomela mumwe muthu katondithomela mara una vathu vanji vane vavori vakunyanga uthoma because vakuzivona zori zvikhoita tshelede, you see.
Yeah, ne.
So uri mini kha vathu vene va nyango u thoma, people who vene va muvona ene a role model, uri mini khavo?
Okay, lifange ngori vathu vari mini iyani ngori ngumune kunyanga zvifio. If it's ready no shoot a contact nisongo via na thoma. If ni ready shoot contact ni khoya ngori nyukori mini.
Una free subscription ine sayenene ono banga kumkha OnlyFans ene angapha dzifene dzawe ape nema ngapha ape nema ngapha or abone content yawo.
Why me not you?
Ione referral ine ya wana kamsi bari min free half discount kaya yonto
Subscribe.
No, guys, you need to subscribe. Like everybody also always pushing for subscribers. Nanda will say, as a content creator, as a person that have been in the media for the longest time, there's different platforms that are coming up. There's all these things that are happening. People have their own ways of doing things. Come on. So people must just subscribe, follow, and understand. You can check, man. You go on Twitter, people you see that like they're supporting her. You know, there's different people that are like, please don't DM me. I don't have her number because I'm tired of number. Come la number yawe, atina number yawe.
Yeah. And the last thing, just to say, because she's mine, I don't know if I can call her my best friend or anything. Ne? Besides OnlyFans, she's a nice person, like legit. Like the mutu, like onofuna batu, like the right, like as otamba zinura mutu sabatu nga OnlyFans. But then she decided to tusan and then we create content together. Other places are like it's 1 in a million, right? Yeah. She's
so
a nice person.
Do you guys do private session parties? Namina Minnesota.
We are planning on doing.
Okay. Your numbers or repertoire when you book for private sessions. I think
no, there's an email. What I know already, there's an email that is gonna be created that you can email to.
Yeah.
That's what I've been told. So yeah, there's an email that is gonna be probably by the time, it's going to be there by the time we release this.
Yeah. So whatever happened in the private session happens. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Do you guys have anything that you need to tell people before we let you go? Now I'm going to
T's and C's.
Yeah. Those T's and C's, they need to be made clear because people think otherwise.
Yeah, people think otherwise. So, yeah, can you put the terms and conditions to understand? Or no hookups, stop DMing for numbers, stop harassing me. Yeah, all those things.
Bad things about, and just love us. If you can't beat them, join me. Understand?
Yeah. So that's perfect. What if you can't beat them? Join them.
Only fair and So, do you guys have anything that you need to tell your fans?
Like, let's just say, just market yourself, put yourself out there. People will understand. Or why do they have to subscribe?
Okay, Premly Prem, ne? Hey.
Premly Prem.
Premly Prem and
underscore
Miss Antha.
Underscore is one word. What is it?
Okay, ne. Like if you are subscriber, you want to choose the best. So
Best like what? Best like what?
Red lingerie.
Best like what?
check
Kapanyana hint. Kapanyana hint.
Red lingerie.
Kapanyana hint.
check my description on OnlyFans. Yeah.
Can they see your description without subscribing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your best video ka OnlyFans? Okay, I mean ka OnlyFans. Your best video.
Hey, I don't know.
What's
I was fucking na weapon yanga.
Ako na mini?
I was weapon yanga.
US.
So it's a context na
Arko mufa iko kata nyan. Uri, you were doing what?
I was Nema Media.
Oh, and the yeah, she was working with the boyfriend. Is that the one that you are on the lingerie?
With my friend, not boyfriend.
Or with your fan?
Yeah.
That's your best video that you have released so far, ka
follow
OnlyFans.
I know.
My question was, which is your best video and or release like OnlyFans?
Send me for link. I will send you my link. Then you subscribe. It will move to the divana sorry. This is your best. Cause nothing has to the best in this video.
Okay.
Ntungapo, Miss Singapore, which one is your best video? Do you have the same concept as well? Or I will send you a link. You will subscribe. Then you choose.
We drop in the link on the subscription.
My best video was Tshivenda Prem. That was my.
Oh, you're doing the thing together.
Yes, the things that makes the things.
The thing that makes the things to happen.
Yes.
But I have one thing for you guys. You guys, you're not supposed to be shy to tell the truth as it is, right? About what you guys do. You must be open because you want people to come and subscribe, right? If you can't say I was doing the thing that makes things to happen. You must say this and this and this and this because
I
you
was
need to
chopping the
educate.
carrots.
You need to educate people that they must come and subscribe to you, and you give them 100% of what you are talking about. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
It's like yes, it's marketing, but then at the same way, it's like I'm ruining the surprise to the party. So like, if you see my description on my OnlyFans, you will see what you're gonna. You understand? So like, for me, it's more of you taking a risk.
Do you know Colin Fega?
Yeah, because let me read out loud to this Premly Prem team.
Okay.
Welcome and thanks of coming with the you.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Details below. What you expect. Photos posted several times per week. The videos posted weekly. Live streaming. What I offer. Lap dance videos, twerking videos, pole dancing, sexy pictures, video calls on request. Just message me, and then you'll get what you want.
Holy fuck.
Premly, we're meaning up.
That's Premly. That's
Okay.
Premly.
Yeah, we're meaning up.
Nendikumbula bathu basingombora.
Miss Antha of gangstanya.
So yeah. I think guys, it was 100% a nice thing to have you guys, and
we're looking for. Now I'm looking forward for the normal chat that we're gonna have. Between tea. I'm expecting in the next 2 months or next month. I don't know, but yeah, I'm happy. There's a couple of things I know that you guys are planning to do. You want to introduce a lot of different things, and I'm happy to see that you are focused and dedicated to bring the best content in Nema Media they didn't expect.
And let's hear this now. It's not only fans that we do. We also in school. You understand? She's doing business management, and I'm doing law. So like, it's not about what people are saying. It's about what we want because faces are. So like, people should or they're doing this because they're uneducated and stuff like that. Because sorry.
No, Zifa. They study. They're doing law and they are doing business studies.
And you're not doing that to pay your school. You are funded.
Yeah, we are funded by who.
Yeah, yes, okay.
We know we are funded by who. So like.
So guys, you don't understand. They're doing what they love. They're doing what they enjoy. They're doing what is their passion. Like you playing soccer, you watching TV the whole day like a potato couch, like all those things. Everybody has a passion and something they love and they want to do.
True.
Wow. And then before you continue, I'm gonna say this. People were praising what is his name? SK Koza, but they couldn't praise Premly. So you see, there's double standard, yeah? But yeah, man, it is what it is.
Yeah, people they judge us because they're about venda. Because they're very I'm venda who did this and this. But then this is the 24th century, Baba. Like you do what you want to do. Those cases are.
Wow. Now, Amanda Premly for your time. We're still gonna have another proper chat, proper interview, proper chatting and catching up. And the be directing. Amanda, Miss Antha and Premly.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
The numbers is.
What do you mean?
The numbers 29.
Me or Gail?
In me.
Okay, you can ask. Not yet, but I will.
Okay.
I don't wanna hack it because I know I can I can go and watch.
Hey. You cannot.
Nah, I'm not gonna hack it, but yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, guys, please subscribe.
Definitely, we are about to subscribe. We are subscribing, me and Gail. Make sure that we check out the content.
Yeah, it's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, make sure that you subscribe. We're dropping the link below. Yeah. Go vala page about today. What can you say?
Okay. Nifuna no take now someone is calling because it has that no. The first one is requested.
Yeah, then numbers is like. I will still love you because hey, thank you. We are what we are because of you. You understand? So like, yeah, thank you guys so much for the interview.
Thank you very much. Rodi Wong Amanda Nimena Dwala Wood.
Thank you so much. Ciao.
Ciao.
Yeah, people, you have heard them. No
hookups.
Exclusive right here. Exclusive.
Yeah, we're gonna still have more. Guys, we're still gonna have more and more and more.
Man,
there's a lot of people that want to interview. There's a lot of things that we didn't want to bring up into the podcast.
Yeah.
But we sometimes we need to allow people to come through with whatever they're doing. But we're gonna look at a lot of things that is happening. Stop judging people. You never know. Did I mean Gail? You know. When are you opening your OnlyFans?